Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Eva from SL Aesthetic Clinic. Today, we are going to talk about something that many people struggle with, eyebags. They can make you look tired, older, and just generally less vibrant. The good news is that you don't necessarily need to resort to surgery to get rid of them. In this video, I will be sharing with you some non-surgical options for reducing eyebags and rejuvenating your appearance. So, what exactly are eyebags? Eyebags are that puffiness and swelling you see under your eyes. They form when the muscles that support your lower eyelids weaken. When this happens, the fat pads that normally cushion your eyes can start to shift downward, creating that puffy appearance. This muscle weakening can be due to several factors like aging, fluid retention, sun damage, lack of sleep, and even genetics. At SL Aesthetic Clinic, we offer effective non-surgical treatments such as the SL Eyebag Reduction Laser. This is an energy-based laser treatment specifically designed to tighten the skin around your eyes and reduce wrinkles on both the upper and lower eyelids. This treatment utilizes 3 different laser technologies to target the eye area comprehensively. First, we have the smooth mode, which delivers laser energy in precise micro-pulses. These pulses penetrate deep into the skin, stimulating collagen production and shrinking the fat in the eyebags. This mode is particularly effective for treating the upper and lower eyelids, as well as the eyebag from the inside of the lower eyelid. There is also the frac-free mode, which further rejuvenates the eyelid skin, and the piano mode, which helps reduce the appearance of eyebags from the outside. This treatment can be performed on the conjunctival side of the lower eyelid, directly targeting the bulging eyebag for a noticeable reduction in puffiness. The process is thorough, covering the entire periocular region, including areas above, below, and to the sides of the eyes. It's a safe procedure too. We use corneal shields to protect your eyes during the treatment, so there's no risk of bruising or downtime. However, it's important to note that this treatment is not suitable for patients who have had cataract surgery or have implantable contact lenses. Another option we offer for tackling eyebags is Undereye and Trough dermal fillers. Troughs are grooves that run from the inner corner of your eyes, and they can make eyebags or dark circles look worse, giving you a tired or aged appearance. Dermal fillers are a great way to volumize these hollows and create a smoother, youthful look. At SL Aesthetic Clinic, we offer a variety of brands such as Restylane, Juvederm, and Bellotero, which are specifically chosen for their effectiveness in the delicate under-eye area. Before we begin treatment, we'll determine if dermal fillers are the right option for you. The procedure itself is nearly painless with only slight discomfort. We use a micro-cannula needle to inject the filler, which minimizes downtime to just about 2 days of mild redness. That's a significant reduction compared to the usual 7 days of downtime with traditional methods. After treatment, you might notice tiny red marks on each side of your eyes where the cannula was inserted. This will subside within a couple of days, and we may prescribe a recovery cream to help things along. It is important to remember that the success of this treatment depends on the correct choice of filler and understanding the cost of your eyebags. Not all fillers are created equal, especially for the under-eye area. We recommend hyaluronic acid fillers because they are reversible and provide natural-looking results. You can expect the results to last between 9 to 12 months depending on your individual skin type and condition. To wrap things up, if you're struggling with eyebags but do not want to go under the knife, there are effective non-surgical treatments available that can make a big difference. Whether you opt for the SL Eyebag Reduction Laser or under-eye dermal fillers, both treatments offer safe, minimally invasive ways to refresh your appearance and boost your confidence. If you're interested in learning more or want to find out which treatment is right for you, feel free to reach out to us at SL Aesthetic Clinic. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on how to look and feel your best. See you in the next video.